Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to recover your password for your Elite recorders. So you notice here, this recorder doesn't have the default password. You only normally have 4 times left to guess the password. So to recover it, click on the lock icon. You will have 2 options, QR code and security questions. In this case, this customer didn't set the security questions, so let's go ahead and focus on the QR code. So for that, launch your TechProSS app. Top left corner, there should be 3 lines. Click on that. Then click on Home. Then More. Then About. And make sure it's version 3.51 or greater. Then click on Reset Device Password. Click OK. And go ahead and scan your QR code. Once this scans, it's going to go ahead and send you an email with a code. Make sure to input the code exactly as you see it in your email, as this is case sensitive. Input your new password. Be sure to have a strong password. For this demonstration, I'll be using admin123. Click Save, then OK, and then update any other devices that's connected to this device. In this case, an IPC. Click Finish, then click Cancel, then log in using your new password. And there you go.